In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear offline on Slack. Now, we all know that sometimes we need a little bit of peace and quiet to really dive into our work. Whether you're tackling a big project or just need some time to focus, setting your Slack status to indicate that you're unavailable can make all the difference. It's a simple way to let your colleagues know you're focusing and don't want to be interrupted for a while. Let me guide you through the steps to make this happen. First, you want to start by clicking on your profile picture. Now, if you're using the Slack app on your mobile device, you'll want to tap the You tab instead. This is essentially your control panel for all things related to your Slack identity. Clicking here brings up a menu with all kinds of helpful options, but right now, we're interested in the Update Your Status field. Once you've found your way to the Status Update field, it's your chance to tell your colleagues exactly what you're doing. You might type something like heads down focus time or maybe deep work, checking messages at 3 p.m. Feel free to get creative, but remember that the more information you provide, the clearer your message will be. You're trying to set the right expectations, so your team knows when you'll be back online. Next, it's time to select an emoji that complements your message. This might seem like a small detail, but emojis can be surprisingly powerful in conveying your current state. For instance, choose the headphone emoji if you're in focus mode, or the stop sign emoji if you really don't want to be disturbed. That little picture can say a lot without words. With your status message and emoji sorted, it's important to set the Remove Status After bar option. This handy feature ensures your status clears automatically after your chosen time. This way, you don't have to worry about colleagues thinking you're perpetually away even after you're back at your desk. Finally, while this option isn't mandatory, I highly recommend checking the box for Pause Notifications. It's a great way to silence all alerts for the duration of your status, allowing you to concentrate without any digital interruptions. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you can effortlessly appear offline on Slack, giving yourself the space to focus when you need it most. Remember, a little communication goes a long way in managing expectations and maintaining productivity. Thanks for watching, and happy focusing.